Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to contact a Bumble, okay? And you can do this directly within the app. So you do this, okay? Click on your profile icon here at the bottom left. Click on this, and you will be redirected to this page. Now I want you to come here at the top right. Click on this settings cog, okay? And this will bring up a bunch of different options. What I need you to do is go ahead and scroll it down right here, all the way down until you see this option, Contact and FAQ. Go ahead and click on that. And then I want you to click on Contact Us. Okay. And now just wait for this page to go ahead and load up. So this has opened up my Twitter, which is now X. And you can go ahead and contact them through here and just send them a message. They're available Monday through Thursday, okay, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., Friday through Sunday on 10 p.m. to 6 p.m., and that is the time zone. Really that easy and simple.